at the moment the trend is quite clear. We are hitting the autonomous driving the next 10 years probably. So for me it was really interesting to go for interior design in that case, because you're just designing the vehicle, you're spending the time inside. So you're driving an Uber, for example, which I experienced in America at that time. You're driving with an Uber, and the moment you were sitting in, you already forgot what kind of car you were in, because you don't spend more than 5 seconds to see the exterior. And I recognize the interior will be the future in this case, because you're just surrounded by that inside, and you want to experience something, you want to have entertainment and all the things. So there will be a big change concerning autonomous driving, and there I was quite happy to make the right decision with focusing on interior design. Of course, there's so much more technologies, everything is more light, we have a lot of crazy 3D printing opportunities now. Even in the company we start doing a lot of research in these areas, and we get virtual reality, you get so much better experiences than we had 10 years ago, and this will influence the whole process, definitely.